how do I get pre-approved? This is one of the biggest questions out there because many people they talk to an agent, they want to go see houses, but my agent won't let me see a house until I get pre-approved. The pre-approval process is crucial because it gives you the best idea of what you can afford financially, so you're not looking at houses out of your price range. Now, the pre-approval process is going to include an application which looks like a giant questionnaire. It's going to inquire about your personal history, your financial history, your job history, your assets. It's going to give your loan officer an idea of what's going on in your financial background and what loan guidelines are going to be best for you. Your lender is also going to ask you for some documents to verify everything in the application. That could include bank statements, W-2s, or taxes for the last 2 years, pay stubs. It could include some other documents that your lender requires, really just to verify those numbers, make sure they're accurate, make sure they're using numbers that they can absolutely use, for them to make sure they're giving you a realistic expectation of what you can afford. So when you go to write offers, you have a strong idea that you can afford this house.